Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please follow. Well, the raspberry bush almost done. I wasn't sure if I was going to record this morning. Bit of a bad back today. A little difficult getting around. Oh, so our little pepper plant there still making little peppers. Yes, the pepper plants have come in fine. So have the tomatoes. I see our other plants. It's gonna be a hot day. Maybe I should come back here and give it a little more water. It's supposed to be smoky today from the forest fires, but the skies are pretty clear. Yeah. There's our giant sunflower. Well, let's go past the zucchinis here and head off to the potatoes. Now, a lot of potatoes are doing just fine. Just wonderful. Unlike the ones in the box. So I've already started to dig these out because they're all starting to look like this. Now our beans have been poor producers this year. My other bush beans back here are bushing well, but my pole beans are not polling. These poor producers here, big kahunas. If you want a lot of beans, do providers. I should have stuck with those this year. My giant kale plant that I finally had some kale off of. This thing will just keep producing right until it freezes, right until it snows. Of course, as it gets colder, it stops growing. It slows down, then it stops growing, and you're only left with a big old green stalk coming out of the ground. And then sometimes the following year, it starts to grow again. Well, the zucchinis. Oh, God. Here, these things. That's what's been laying eggs. I just had to get rid of that bug where it goes off on my leaves and starts laying eggs. All right, I got... Now, of course, it's August and it's getting more difficult to contain the zucchini plants. Oh, that one's nice. That's perfect size. Let's take that off. Yep. That one too. All right. You can see more zucchini in there. All right. Well, let's just go put these zucchinis down. We have another zucchini plant here. There's Squashes are doing just fine. It's a giant squash. Yeah, it's still giant. Let's go back to the other side here and see if there's any zucchini. We need a few plants that made it in. No. All right. Well, our zucchini plants are doing really well. Let's go in the front and go have a look at Butch and see how the see if that pumpkin plant is going to survive or not. Well, here's our front box. And there's a lot of growth. The giant sunflower has not sunflowered yet. This pumpkin's doing fine. How's our zucchini? Our zucchini is ready to be picked. There we go. Whoa! Huh. Look at you. Very nice. Just put you down. And here's Butch. Hey, getting crowded out by your younger brothers there. Okay, our poor pumpkin plant. Have a look. See? Well, I buried that root, that vine there, and something must be going on because the plant's still living. And of course our other sunflower. And our morning glories that gave me a flower almost 2 weeks ago, and then none since. Very strange. Oh, look, flowers finally. Look at that. Hey? And here as well. Let the flowering begin. Okay. All right, well, if you've hung out till the end to see how the growing is going today, I really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great day. Again, please give us a follow on Rumble. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.